Hey everyone, this is Vipul Chauhan and welcome to the Decoder YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss this Leetcode problem called find n unique integer sum up to 0. So the basic idea of the question is that we'll be given an integer, let's call it n, and we have to return an array consisting of n elements, and the sum of those n elements should be equal to 0. For example, as you can see here, the input is n equal to 5, and this is one of the possible solution arrays. Notice that there are 5 elements and the sum of those 5 elements comes out to be 0. Of course, there can be multiple answers like this one and many more. It's a pretty simple question. I would encourage you to try it once yourself, and now let's get on with the solution. तो काफ़ी सिंपल सोल्यूशन है इसका. बेसिक आइडिया सोल्यूशन का ये है, इट्स अ प्रिटी एलिगेंट सोल्यूशन, कि हमें लेट्स से n इक्वल टू 3 प्रोवाइडेड है, तो हम एक अरे डिफाइन करेंगे विच विल कंसिस्ट ऑफ 3 एलिमेंट्स, और हम हर एलिमेंट को उसकी इंडेक्स से इनिशियलाइज कर देंगे. So if n equal to 3, the first element which is of the 0th index will be 0. The second element will be equal to 1 because its index is 1. Similarly, the third element will be equal to 2. तो हमारा array अभी है 0, 1 and 2. Now we'll uh, use an integer called total, and we'll use it to basically calculate the sum of the elements of the array. So in our example array, the sum is 0 plus 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. Now as you can see that the element at the 0th index, that is 0, does not contribute to the sum in any way. We can initialize that to any other number we like. तो बेसिक आइडिया ये है कि हम जो 0th इंडेक्स पे हमारा एलिमेंट है, दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट, हम उसे टोटल के नेगेटिव से इनिशियलाइज कर देंगे. तो हमारे केस में जो कि हमारा अरे है 0, 1 एंड 2, उसमें हम 0 की जगह नेगेटिव ऑफ द टोटल विच इज़ नेगेटिव ऑफ 3 इनिशियलाइज कर देंगे. तो अब हमारा अरे है -3, 1 एंड 2. As you can see, this is one of the possible solution arrays, since it consists of 3 elements and their sum comes out to be 0, because -3 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. And this is just how this solution will work. I've already coded the solution. Let's just see how it is implemented. Here we have defined the array which will return later on. The return size is equal to n, since there are n elements in the array which we will be returning. This is the total integer which we'll use to calculate the total of the elements of the array. This for loop is used for traversing the array. This is used to initialize each element with its index. This is used to calculate the total of the elements of the array. Here we are basically initializing the first element with the negative of the total, and we just return the array. Let's run it once. As you can see, it runs successfully. You can also submit it to see that it satisfies all the test cases. This was it. Thank you very much for watching. Do consider liking, subscribing. Thank you.